Hey, what is up everyone? This is Flash from Flash Hobbies and welcome to another episode. Today we're talking Infraction and turbos. Now this truck is an absolute beast, runs on 6S, no problem, shreds the crap out of these tires, and honestly it's one of the funnest trucks I've ever had. I wanted to add a little bit of an aesthetic to this build, so I went with these cheap little keychain turbos from eBay. Link is in the description. They were an independent seller, so they might be out of stock, but there's a lot of similar ones on there. For this setup, we're going to go with a twin turbo. The nice thing about these turbos is that it looks like they're real. The fan blades inside do spin. You can actually run air through it, and they do whistle a little bit. I didn't want to put my mouth on it because I don't know what the questionable metal is and where it comes from, so I did put a straw in there at one point and just blew, and it actually did spin around. The installation for these is going to be fairly simple. So originally I was going to take off this little tab right here with a Dremel and just cut it off, but there's actually enough clearance on the inside where I don't need to do that. This is going to be a simple installation with just pure hot glue and cutting the body open. So we're going to start off by taking off this keychain part, which is fairly easy to do. We start with a pair of pliers and just kind of bend that ring. And we'll repeat that for the second one as well. Now that we have both turbos loose, we're going to go ahead and start cutting into the body. Easiest way for me is to just kind of eyeball it. I'm going to start off with a small circle and then cut a little bit more if needed. Now, seeing how aggressively styled the body is, I wanted to go with these two holes right here for the turbos. So we're going to start off small. I'm going to line it up to the front here and kind of just get a gauge of it. From the looks of it, we're just going to cut the little black part on the inside right here. We're going to leave this outer lip and see how it looks like. To start the process, I'm going to go ahead and get a sharp X-Acto knife blade, put it into the little black part here, and then with precision, I'm going to score it all the way here until it's ready to be opened and cut. And I'll remove that piece and we'll test fit. So now that the hole is complete on this side, I left it just a little bit snug so that I can fit the turbo in here. It should just kind of clip in. With a little bit of force, it stays in there, and I'm going to finish it off with some hot glue on the back side. And now to repeat the process for the other side. And there we have it, twin turbo on the Infraction V2. I think aesthetically it looks pretty good. Obviously it offers nothing for actual upgrades, but I love the look of the twin turbos on this. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching Flash Hobbies.